be the unboxing of our 2019 Boxycharm Premium box. Now, this is only the second month that the Premium box has been around, so I'm super excited to see what all we have in here today. So before we jump into the unboxing of our Premium box, if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Momma MD, and here we embrace the hot messness. We live on a lot of caffeine. That's pretty much all that's running through my body right now, and it's a judgment-free zone. Judgment-free zone. I'm talking way too fast. I gotta simmer down. Anyways, guys, if you are new, I hope you decide to subscribe, stick around, hit that notification bell, and join us on our YouTube journey. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of our December Premium box from Boxycharm. Okay guys, so if you are new to what Boxycharm is, this particular box is a monthly subscription. There is 3 different boxes that Boxycharm does offer. There's the standard box, and that is $25, and you receive at least a guaranteed amount of $125 worth of product. I feel like I didn't word that correctly, but I'm pretty sure you guys understand what I'm saying. Then there is the Premium box. Now this box is $35 plus tax, and you are guaranteed at least $175 worth of product in this box. Both boxes are full-size products, and then if you have signed up for one of these and you are a Boxycharmer, you do have the option to sign up for Boxyluxe, which I have unboxed the December Boxyluxe. This is a quarterly subscription, the Boxyluxe is. It's $49.99, and y'all, the amount of products you get in the Boxyluxe is mind-blowing. Like, mind-blowing. I will try and remember to link my Boxycharm Boxyluxe unboxing, as well as somewhere I'll also link my Boxycharm standard box unboxing. But my Boxyluxe box for December was $390 worth of product, and it was amazing. Like, amazing. I don't know how Boxycharm does it, but I'm not mad about it. By the way, this video is not sponsored. They did send this to me complimentary to review, and that is what we're gonna do today. I'm so excited. Let's just jump right in. So before I actually get into the unboxing, I do want to let you guys know, you guys always ask how much the box does weigh, and this Premium box for December did weigh on my mail scale 1 pound 15.2 ounces. So as far as the variation goes, you guys told me last month when I pulled out the card, because it always comes with a card, which, by the way, the theme this month is Whimsy, Boxycharm Whimsy. But on the back of the card, it has a variation. And I thought that there was a chance of different variations for the Premium, but you guys said no, there's not. So it just says 33 on here, but apparently it's the same across the board, I guess. But we do get the option to choose a customized item in our boxes. It's like 1 to 3, I believe, for the Luxe, and like 1 or something for the Premium. I can't remember. I get a little confused on it, plus the fact that I don't always opt in to do the customization. I kind of like that surprise element. I don't peek in the emails. I don't go into my account and see what I'm getting. It's like a gift to myself every single month, you know? I mean, that's the way I look at it. It's like my birthday, it's a gift, it's like a Christmas, whatever. I'm rambling. Anyways, on the card, you're gonna have each item that is in this box, as well as a little information on it, as well as how much the retail value of that product is. So jumping right in, I have no idea what is in this box. I'm just gonna set it over here. The first item, it's some sort of palette. Glowy AF Wet Glow. So this is what the box looks like. It looks like is it Basic Beauty? Basic Beauty? Let's read this. Let's read this, Rhonda. Basic Beauty. I love that I can't read cursive. That's embarrassing. Okay, so this is a trio of, it sounds like highlighters. Oh, this is pretty. This is actually really pretty. So this is what it looks like, and it does have a retail value of $30. It is in a standard type of cardboard packaging. These are really pretty, but I think I will hold it back for a giveaway in the future, because I have a ton of highlighters, guys, like a ton of highlighters. And so you guys will be seeing this in a giveaway. But a little bit about this product. It says Glow AF is a versatile multi-use highlight designed to be worn over makeup for a blinding light catching glow. Dab with your finger or your favorite brush across your brow line, collarbone, eyes, cheek, or lips. The jelly-like texture is perfect for the precise application. Okay, so when it says jelly, I'm like, I want to touch it. But if I'm giving it away, I can't touch it, so. But it does have a retail value of $30. It is really pretty, guys. And I'm very intrigued by it, but I'll wait. Did I know about this? I don't know if I knew about this, but I'm not mad about this. This is a full size of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. It does say it's for oily to combo skin. So I actually have a mini sample of this and I really like it. It's really nice. It's lightweight. It smells delicious. Since I have that little tub open, I'm not going to open this up just yet. But I can tell you guys, I have normal to dry skin and I really, 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 really enjoy this. It's really nice, it's lightweight, and even though it's not like insanely moisturizing, it's great for me in the summertime. Like, amazing. And it does have that nice like watermelon scent. So I am super excited. I can't believe we got this. Like I said, sorry earbud users, I apologize for my loud mouth. But, I mean, again, this box is $35. This retail value of just this alone is $39. We're up to $69 just with 2 products. And I really want to touch the highlighter, but I'm not. Okay, so this is the next item that we got. So here's the next item that we did get. Again, it looks like it is a full-size product. This is by, is it Ava Knit? I don't know how to say it. I look like a fool, but welcome to the Hotmess Club. Yeah. This is a hyaluronic vitamin C and it looks like it's a moisturizer. Huh. And it's 1.69 fluid ounces. What the? Dude. By the way, I'm a nerd. I'm a dork. I don't try and be cool over here. This retails for $134 flippin' dollars. It's a deluxe hyaluronic acid face and eye night cream. I can't even speak. I'm so shook by this. Like, this is something I honestly would think we would get in like a Boxyluxe, not the premium box. Like, wow. Oh my gosh, it's an anti-aging moisturizer for face and targeted eye areas formulated with hyaluronic acid to deeply nourish your skin. This is flippin' amazing. Listen, friends, the signature ingredients to improve the appearance of enlarged pores. I'm sorry, I'm dyslexic, so I do struggle when I'm reading like this. Enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and weakened skin surface. Oh, we're gonna slap that all over the décolleté. Holy guacamole, $134. I'm shook. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I'm so flippin' excited about this. I did not know this was coming in our box. I hear people talk about this all the time. All the time. This is I should probably tell you what it is. The Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy. It retails for $22. It's a deeply hydrating overnight lip mask and a game-changing balm to oil formula for more, oh my gosh, more nourished and supple lips overnight. Oh, I hear people talk about this all the time. Wow, it's huge. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? It even comes with a little spatula. Oh, thank you, Boxycharm. You guys, look at this. It's so big. It's a ½ ounce. This is amazing. And I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So sorry. Oh my gosh. So we got 2 more items. What is this? This is Natasha Denona. Oh my goodness. This is the Natasha Denona lip liner pencil. Retail value of $18. It's so funny, guys. Like, it literally, oh, this is, oh gosh, yes. I'm so excited about that. I don't know if you guys can tell the shade. This is what it looks like right here. It is a sharpening type of pencil, but I had literally made a video talking about brands that I would like to see in our subscription boxes, Natasha Denona being one. Y'all, last month, the premium box, we got the Natasha Denona, we got this, the Bloom palette. Like, are you kidding me, Boxycharm? Wow, okay. Okay, so then we did get one more item. This is insane. This is, I'm so sorry, I truly, honestly don't go through these boxes. This is my Dose of Colors. Like, I was kind of scanning, like, obviously I struggle to read, but like I saw the very first thing said Dose of Colors, but I didn't continue to read. This is the Hidden Treasure palette by Dose of Colors. Ooh, she's pretty. She's very pretty. I think those perfect colors. I can't even talk. I'm so shocked by this. Wow, these are like the perfect colors. They're like not too bold, not too crazy, like perfect for everyone. Wow. I am okay. I am at a loss for words, which doesn't happen too often. So this palette alone retails for $50. Okay, guys, so everything that we received here, like all of this right here, retail value. Okay, well, before I get into that, I'm reminding you, this box, $35 plus tax, guaranteed at least $175 worth of product in here. Everything you guys just saw in this box came to $293. Wow. This is amazing. I'm so excited about this. Like, I mean, I say it all the time. I am like so obsessed with skincare right now. And of course, you guys know that I absolutely love eyeshadow palettes. I just started doing more Shop My Stash. I have heard nothing but amazing things about this agave lip stuff. I mean, this box was amazing, guys. Like, absolutely amazing. Like, Boxycharm has literally been blowing my mind every single month with what we receive. So, if you guys are interested in signing up with Boxycharm, whether it be get the standard $25 box or the $35 premium box, which you guys just saw, or the Luxe, I will have a link down below for you guys. It is an affiliate link, just letting you guys know. But I honestly, I don't know right now when I'm filming this video and it goes live. I don't know if there's still a wait list for the premium, but I know there was last month. But I can tell you from personal experience, when I got on the Boxyluxe wait list, I got through that pretty quick. I think there was like 1 or 2 boxes, and then I was on the list for the Boxyluxe. Just letting you guys know, as a consumer, as a customer and everything, they do get those lists very, very quick. So anyways, huge thank you to Boxycharm for sending this to me to review. You guys nailed it. You did amazing. I love, love, love that we are seeing these high-end, expensive brands in our subscription. Like, this just blows my mind. This is the perfect way, guys, to try high-end, luxury, expensive products at affordable price. $35. Like, yes, please, thank you. I am just, I'm blown away. I'm gonna jump off because I'm rambling, because I'm like so at a loss for words. So at least you got like the true experience. If you guys enjoyed this video, please help your girl out and give me a big thumbs up. Feel free to share this over on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Let the world know that our channel exists. I hope you guys decide to stick around, subscribe, turn that notification bell on. Also, don't forget I have Vlogmas going on my second channel, and there's those 2 giveaways, so definitely make sure to check the description box down below for the giveaways, as well as how to sign up to Boxycharm. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.